Hello everyone and welcome to a Firewall deep dive. In this video we're going to take a closer look at Firewall on the Aegis dApp. First, let's look at the supported networks. Firewall is supported on Ethereum mainnet, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, and Polygon. It's not supported on any other networks for now, and you will see a banner on any network that supports it, and on the networks where it's not supported, you won't see such a banner. The firewall setup consists of your protected address, a backup address, which will receive the assets in case of an emergency, then the Aegis monitoring and recovery engine, which detects transactions and triggers emergency withdrawals, and the firewall smart contract that does the withdrawal for you on your selected chain. In order to enable Firewall, you need to enable an unlimited allowance on all the assets that you want to protect. We're going to be protecting 2 tokens this time. You will get a request for approval in your wallet that you need to approve. I'm going to sign the other approval. So in this scenario, you should just sign the transaction as you receive it inside of your wallet. Now that both the approvals have been confirmed on chain, we click Sign and Submit again. You will receive a request in your wallet to sign another transaction, but this transaction will not be posted on the network yet. This transaction will only be posted on the network in case an emergency withdrawal needs to occur. So when we sign this, the Aegis Firewall Smart Contract will use this signed transaction to create your emergency withdrawal. This is a completely free signature. Another note here is that the native token on each chain, so BNB on the BSC chain, Ethereum on Ethereum mainnet, Matic on Polygon network, and AVAX on Avalanche cannot be protected. That is because these tokens act differently than regular ERC20 tokens. So once Firewall is enabled, Aegis will continuously track all of the activity on your wallet. If any outgoing transaction is detected, an emergency withdrawal is triggered. If an incoming transaction is detected, the emergency withdrawal will not be triggered. So if this emergency withdrawal is triggered, all of your protected tokens will move out of your wallet and into your backup wallet at once. You can't specify which token you want to move. If you want to do some transactions for yourself, you need to pause the firewall, and then after you're done, re-enable it once again with a simple click of a button. So the firewall is enabled again.